Watering. Getting watering right can be tricky, but these grids make it simple. No dry spots, no wasted water, just even moisture exactly where your plants need it. Since they're hooked up to my irrigation, it's easy to adjust the watering and water only when I need to. The even watering means it's easy to germinate seeds, plants get deep watering, and evaporation is minimal. Plus, they divide the bed for square foot gardening. These grids make watering so much easier. The beginning of the season is the perfect time to check your watering system. Turn it on and watch it run to make sure it's working correctly. Make any needed adjustments. Does it need replaced? Now's the time to do it. Fix any leaks or clogged emitters. Make sure all areas of your bed are getting watered. Figure out how long it takes the water to penetrate to a depth of about 12 inches. This will tell you how long you need to run your water each time you water. Taking these steps now will help avoid any surprises and dead plants later on.